Students, since many of you are asking me how to do the simulations online from home, since you don't have a component with you, what you can do is look for this website called Tinkercad. Now, in Tinkercad, you just click on the website. It's the website by Autodesk. Create your own login. So just try to see you are logged in with any account should do. And then go to the designs, maybe create. Here you can click on circuit and then it should open up a simulator which is free, and here you can start performing your experiment. So what you can say is, let's take a breadboard first. Then I will click on search over here. Let's say I need a AND gate, so maybe you can type and you will see that there are multiple ICs that have AND gate. Maybe 7400 is what we need. So just place that properly on the breadboard. Now here, pin number one is input, two is a second input, and three is output. So we might need to connect an LED. So let me just type LED over here, and I should see different types of LEDs. I need a plain component LED, so I will choose this one and place it somewhere. Okay. So now pin number three of the LED should be connected. Maybe here you can connect it from this entire row is shorted, so you can take a wire and connect it to the cathode. This is how you can connect the LED. Next is you need a power supply. So what you can look for is a battery or a 5-volt supply. So you can try either supply. So it will ask for power supply. And here is the power supply. I will take a power supply. And then I will connect the positive of the power supply to pin number 14 and negative of the power supply to pin number 7. Okay, so now the connections are done. Try to make it just a neat connection. Output voltage current 5 volt 5 ampere, so that is correctly done. This is power and this is ground pin. Now I need two more inputs, which I would connect it through switch. So let us bring some button or switch. So clicking the switch. I need two switch to change the conditions. A switch will have common terminal 1 and terminal 2. So what I will do is connect the terminal 1 to my VCC line, which could be here, and terminal 2 to the ground line, which could be here. Again, these lines are not by default VCC and ground, so you need to connect them together. So this becomes my ground, and this same becomes VCC. I think I made a mistake over here. This should be here. Okay. So now VCC and ground is connected, and this thing should go to pin number 1. Similarly, second one goes to pin number 2. And again, I need to join this VCC with this VCC and this ground, the ground. So now the connections are almost done. Since LED cannot be connected directly, you need a current resistor. So I need a resistor to protect it. I will place that resistor somewhere here. And now it is directly grounded, and the value of resistor is generally in ohms. Typically 330 ohm is what you put. And some mistake is there because this is anode and cathode, and I want to flip it. What you can do is just delete the wire and now connect anode to the pin and cathode to the resistor, and this goes to the grounding. So now wiring is done. It's pretty weirdly done right now, and then just try to simulate it. So on both 1 1, the LED is on. Anyone goes down, LED is off. And when all the conditions you can check, when both are on, LED is on again. To simplify your life, what you can do is assign the color coding to all the VCC lines may be red, and all the ground lines could be black. Even this entire wiring is black. Everything that goes to the ground should be black. So this is how you simulate, and you browse all the ICs, make all the circuits. Also ensure that you check the VCC ground connections, and if there is any mistake, you can rectify them. And if it is very weirdly drawn circuit like this, it is very difficult to understand in some of the cases. So what you can do is try to draw it neatly also, but that is not necessary for practice purpose. You can stop the simulation and make it neat. So this is how you can make it neat. Just try to keep everything 90-degree. If you by mistakenly draw any extra wire or something, try to press delete to remove it. So by doing practice, you could easily manage the simulations. And since you don't have component, I would highly recommend you simulate all the 30 circuits in the simulator and then come for the exam. I think this will help you in understanding the circuit because of the neat drawing. Again, input, you can choose different colors other than red and black. Maybe yellow for one input. We'll keep maybe orange for second input. And even for understanding, you can rotate the component, and this will be much more clearer to understand. For wiring, we will keep green itself. This is again partial grounded, so it is since it's a black but going through the resistor, and this is obviously a VCC line. Now, once you complete all this stuff, uh, again, once you correct it, you can just have a check whether everything is done properly or not. So this is how it should look. It is looking much better now.